Okay, we are looking at your prelim corrections. Okay, so we're looking at question one. The question asks you what can you infer about how countries should respond to the BRI. Okay, so this is a basic inference question, but it wants you to infer specific things. Okay, so you cannot just infer anything. You must infer and talk about how countries should respond to the BRI. Okay, so most of you managed to say that I can infer that the country should respond to the BRI in a particular way. So some of you say things like, should accept, okay, should accept, should support, okay, or to not fear it, okay. So things like that is fine, all right. And many of you quote evidence such as because it benefits, it does not exclude anyone, okay. So we to support your point about that they should respond positively, okay. Now some of you who inferred, some of you quote evidence only this: BRI is not a threat as it can. Some of you managed to highlight this as well, okay, as a evidence. I think that's fine. All right, the problem is that some of you quote this: it's not meant to control countries, it is not a threat, okay. So if this is your inference and your if the green color ones are your evidence and your inferred response is they should accept or support it, it does not quite make sense. Okay, it does not quite make sense that why it is not a trap, does not control countries, they should accept and support it. Okay, it will make more sense if you tell me that they need not fear it. Okay, so if you want people to accept and support it, then you should be telling me about the good things. So the yellow highlighted parts would make more sense as evidence. Okay, so you need to be careful that make sure that your evidence matches your inference. Now, some of you who inferred, oh, this did not talk about how countries should respond. You talk about, oh, what can I infer? I can infer that China is friendly. Okay, China is nice. Quite a few of you did that. Okay, so you get L3 as a result. Okay, please be careful, because um, in certain exams, you may in national exams, if the markers want to be very strict, they could say that you misinterpreted or did not answer the question and drop you to L1. Okay, so be careful about this. Some of you lifted from the source. Okay, it's telling me what can you infer how the country should respond, then you copy that, oh, they should consult the countries, all this. Okay, most those of you who did that, well, it's very clear that you did not read the whole case study first. You did not understand the whole case study first, so please make sure you do that in the future.